In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use filters in Todoist, one of the most powerful features for cutting through a busy task list and seeing exactly what you want, when you want it. A filter is basically a saved search. You tell Todoist the rules, and it instantly pulls together every matching task from across all your projects into one focused view. Let's dive in. Over in the sidebar, I'll click on Filters and Labels. This opens up the home for all your custom views, and right here under My Filters, you can see the filters I've already set up. Take a look at these. I've got one called Assigned to Me, which gathers every task that's been handed to me, and another called Priority 1, which instantly shows me only my most urgent top priority work. I'll click on Priority 1 now, and just like that, Todoist shows me a clean list of nothing but my highest priority tasks, no matter which project they came from. This is what makes filters so useful. Instead of bouncing between projects hunting for what matters, you let a filter do the gathering for you. You might build a filter for everything due today, or all tasks with a certain label, or work assigned to a particular area of your life. To create your own, you simply click the plus icon next to My Filters, give your filter a name, and type in a short query that describes what you want to see. Todoist's filter language lets you combine things like priority, dates, labels, and projects into one smart view. Once it's saved, your filter lives right here in the sidebar, ready whenever you need that focused slice of your tasks. Filters turn a sprawling to-do list into exactly the view you need. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.